Hello everyone, I picked today's color. It's called the poppy field, the inspiration from the cactus. I already cut out some different sizes of paper. Want to show you some techniques on this exercise. You can simply just drop the alcohol ink on the paper and then let it explore the shape. Alcohol ink is really interesting. It will do its own wonder, so you cannot predict what kind of shape will be the result. Another way is by applying some alcohol ink on a little bit on the side of the paper I cut out, and then you can press the color on the U-Pole paper. Then you can form different shape paddle or different size of images. So here I demo with different patterns on the flower petal. This one turned out really beautiful. It's very fun and interesting to observe how the alcohol ink forms the shape and the pattern. So by manipulating the way you place on the U-Pole paper, you can experience and explore the way you like, and then you will find a way to work with the alcohol ink. I make some flower petal look images on the paper, and then I sprayed 91% alcohol to create some water drop on the flower petals. I add some alcohol on the empty spot and show you how I manipulate in different way. And then it's so fun to see how you can come up with the manipulation of the alcohol and alcohol ink. You can blow the alcohol ink and the alcohol before it dry up. Or you can use the Q-tip to draw on the wet alcohol part to make certain pattern. Another way to create more translucent alcohol ink image is by applying some alcohol blending solution on the paper. And then you can see how the color become a little bit lighter and even create some beautiful formation. I also like to use the alcohol wipe to modify the design on the painting, or use the dry paper towel to clean up the painting. Hope you enjoy the tips I share in this video, and then please leave your comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The reason I love the alcohol ink painting so much is because it's free spirit. Once you get to know and play with the alcohol ink, you will be amazed by how free and then the form with the abstract image is just so fulfilling and very soothing. So take your time to experience and then have fun with this alcohol ink painting. This is Ching-Hui. I'll see you next time, and I will have some image in the end to show you the mid-process result. Sometimes I don't always finish one alcohol painting. I take my time and just kind of see what I can do next. May the Lord bless you. Have a wonderful day and go to experiment your alcohol ink painting.